Hello friends, my name is Sushant Mane and today's topic is climate change. So without wasting our time further, let's start the video. Climate change basically means global warming. Global warming is a phenomenon in which the earth temperature rises drastically. That means it is an incremental process. Let's say, for example, if a temperature rises by 0.5% this year, then the next year it will rise by 0.3% or 0.4%. It do not drastically, do not directly jump from 1%, 1 degree Celsius to 2 degrees Celsius. It is an incremental process. There are lots and lots of impacts, bad impacts on our life because of the climate changes. Climate change not only destroys our health, but it also destroys the planet Earth. Like in the environment, because of sudden change in weather and sudden change in the temperature of Earth, lots of droughts and lots of floods have been occurred in India as well as in other countries like United States and China. Like we have seen the recent case in Assam, there has been a huge drought, huge flood in which lots of people has been displaced from Assam. Approximately 60,000 people have lost their homes and have been shifted to the shelters. So this is all because of the climate change. So we need to take some precautions to improve our climate, or you can say improve our techniques that we apply during our day-to-day activities. Like we can use public transport, which indirectly reduces the carbon emissions made by our vehicles, like two-wheelers and four-wheelers. And we can also switch to our energy consumption to a renewable source like solar panel, or we can say electric vehicles. We can use electric vehicles for transportation from one place to another. So there are many ways there are many ways which can help us to tackle the climate change, which has been very serious concern in today's society. So let's discuss various impacts of the climate change. The first one is water. As we all know that the south and north pole of the earth has been drastically decreasing in terms of ice because of increasing temperature. This ice is melting at a much faster rate that is beyond our imagination. Because of this melting of ice, the water level of the earth is being increasing tremendously. As the water level is being increasing, the islands like Lakshadweep have been covering in water at a much faster rate. There is very huge concern for the islands who are very small. And Australia is also taking great initiatives to reduce the global warming, or we can say climate change, because it is an island continent. So on the one day in the one day it can be covered in water, because it is from all the sides of Australia there is water. So this is one of the impacts. So let's move toward the next impact, that is on growing food. As we all know that because of climate change, the food cycle changes drastically. As the weather is not predictable, the farmers cannot plan their plant in the earlier stages. So because of the wrong plantation and wrong farming activities, the food we eat, like vegetables and fruits, might not get the proper environment for their fertilization, or we can say for their growth. So because of which the scarcity of food will arrive, and also the prices of food will also increase. So this will indirectly, or we can say directly, impact on our human health. As human health is also in this time the human health is also being very badly affected by the climate change, because the winters are becoming much more extreme winters, and summers are becoming much more extreme summers. And this not only leads to our this not only disturbs our health, but it also disturbs our daily activities like going to work, or we can, if we roam outside, then activities, then this climate change, then this directly affects our performance of the day. So this was all about the climate change, and hope you like my video. Thank you.